Hey there, welcome back to Daisy's Stews. So today I'm showing you guys 2 ways you can prepare your rice water. I'll post my routine soon, so stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell. You can also like and share this video because it goes a long way in my journey. So first, let's get into some of the items that you will need to do this recipe. So firstly, you need the star of the show, rice, a citrus fruit, glass jar, water, and 2 bowls. I'm going to place about 2/3 of a cup into a bowl. Your measurement doesn't really affect your final result, so you can just eyeball it to your preference. I'm using ordinary long grain rice for this. You can use any rice of your choice. The effect is the same. Thoroughly rinse your rice if you want it as clean as possible. I repeated this about 3 times. Don't worry, this does not remove any of the nutrients. I'm now transferring my rice into my glass jar. To be absolutely honest, I have no idea what the science is behind using a glass jar, but if you do know, please let us know in the comment section below. So I boiled my water prior to this and let it cool. You can also use distilled water. I do this so that my rice ferments faster and ensure that my water is thoroughly purified. So next up, I'm going to add an orange peel. You can also use Naartjes or lemons. This really helps to mask the smell of fermented rice water. Close it all up and it's now ready for the next process. You can now allow your rice water to ferment for a day or 2. Y'all, please don't mind my horrible nails. Yep, so in the next method, you want to use your obviously thoroughly rinsed rice. You want to add new water and start massaging and breaking the rice in your hands. You want to keep repeating the same process until your water gets a little bit cloudy, as you are about to see. So at the end, your water is supposed to look something like this. When you're through, you then want to reach out for a towel and cover the bowl for about 45 minutes to an hour. So an hour later, you can then filter your cloudy rice water into another bowl, then transfer it to your glass jar. When you're through, you can absolutely use the rice for any other thing. You can even cook it and have it for dinner. Now for the next step. You absolutely do not want to forget your orange peel. I'm just gonna add those in there and close it up. This second method works just as good as the first one, so you can just choose which one you want. So guys, let me know in the comment section which one you'll be trying out. Until the next one, bye.